As we analyze today's words, I want you to be word detectives. I'm going to give you a characteristic, and I want you to work with your partner to determine which word I'm talking about. Now, looking at these words, I see a word that is a compound word. A compound word is one large word that's made up of two other words that could stand on their own. Do you see a word here that contains two smaller words? Think about, where did we say it was a safe place to walk across a street? That's right. Crosswalk is a compound word. Cross is a word by itself, and so is walk. Put them together and you have crosswalk. Okay. Now, boys and girls, I'm looking. Almost every word up here has two syllables. I see one word here that has three syllables. Work with your partner and see if you can find it. You did. What was that word? That's right. Carefully. Carefully has three syllables. Now, I want to talk about something called a suffix. A suffix is a letter or letters that show up at the end of a word that changes the word's meaning. Now, what made me think of this is three of these words contain the same suffix. Can you find three of these words that end the same? Okay. Daily, clearly, and carefully all end the same. What two letters are the same at the end of each of these words? That's right, it's L-Y, L-Y, and L-Y. When you put L-Y on the end of the word, it's telling you how or how often something is done. So if you said, how often do you take a shower? You would say daily. I'm doing it once a day, or daily, telling you how often it's done. Or if you said, were you able to see well through your glasses? And you said, I was able to see clearly. It's telling how you were able to see clearly. Now, if you ask, how should you give a baby a bath? What would you say? Carefully. That's how you do it. Full of care. Now, carefully has another suffix or letters that are at the end of its base word. The base word is care. It's right here. So what's the other suffix? Full, because it is full of care or characterized by care. Suffixes can really help you understand words, boys and girls. Now we had one word up here that we haven't talked about yet. Okay? Which of these words is used to talk about something that is older? You guessed it, antique. Nice job analyzing, boys and girls.